I think we should go and sit somewhere.
I love nights like this. Peaceful, you and me.
Yeah, it feels like the world's just ours for a while. This is such a beautiful evening.
It really is. Perfect for a walk. You know, this is what I've always dreamed of doing in my life. But I've never had a moment like this, never expected it would actually happen.
I didn't realize how lonely I was until you came.
You were never alone. You just hadn't found me yet.
What do you see when you look at me?
Home. I see home.
You have no idea what that means to me.
You mean the world to me too.
You make me better, you know that?
You've always been good enough.
I wish every night felt like this.
Then let's make it a habit.
I love you more deeply than words could ever explain.
I've loved you since day one.
Promise this isn't just a moment.
I promise. It's us.
Come on, let's go walk to my place.
Okay. Okay.
It feels different when I'm with you, like the world slows down.
I feel that too.
Hello everyone! In this video, you'll learn how to create cinematic, Hollywood-level videos like the one you just saw, using nothing but AI. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create it yourself, so make sure not to skip any part. There's a new update for Google Veo 3, and some brand new AI video generators launched this month that you absolutely need to know about, like Moonvalley's Marey AI and Baidu's MuseSteamer AI. I'll be covering all of these in this video. The improvements are huge compared to before. AI is getting better every day, and the competition is heating up fast.
All right, let's start with the new AI video generator that came out this month, Marey AI by Moonvalley. You can create videos using text to video. But here's something important. Marey isn't like most AI video tools. It's built for filmmakers, so your prompts need to feel like a movie scene, not just a list of objects. Let me quickly show you how they recommend writing a good prompt. First, describe how the camera moves, like a first-person dive or a dramatic aerial shot. Next, compare the size of things to something big, for example, waves as tall as skyscrapers. Then, use natural, dramatic words like surging, undulating, or liquid mountains. After that, think in layers. What's happening in the background, middle, and foreground? This makes your video feel more cinematic and immersive. And finally, add technical details, things like motion blur, overhead lighting, or shot on 35mm film. That's the formula. Use this, and your videos will look like epic movie shots, not just simple AI clips. Now let's check out a few prompt examples and see the results Marey AI can create. Text to video. Marey AI also lets you turn images into videos, but with more control. You can upload up to 128 images as keyframes. These act as checkpoints in your video. Then just add a prompt describing how you want those images to connect, and Marey will smoothly animate between them to create a continuous video. Here's an example they created using a simple image to video. And this is how multi-keyframing works. And we have controls for motion transfer, pose transfer, camera control, and shot extension. To get started, click on Controls and select Motion Transfer. Upload the video you want to use for the motion. You can even shoot this yourself to capture the exact movement you want. Then, upload your image. The motion from your video will be transferred onto your image. After that, just enter your prompt. Motion transfer. Pose transfer. camera control, trajectory control, We can also use the reference feature, where you can upload a person's face and write a prompt describing what you want them to do, what outfit they should wear, and any action you'd like them to perform. And there's another new AI video generator launched this month. It's called MuseSteamer AI, developed by Baidu and released in July 2025. It's the first Chinese AI model designed to generate video and audio together, perfectly synchronized. Using advanced machine learning, it delivers high-quality, cinema-style videos with visuals, sound effects, and narration, all created by AI in just minutes. From marketing promos and educational content to social media videos and corporate training, MuseSteamer AI can handle it all. Whether you're a creator, marketer, or educator, it makes video creation faster, smarter, and easier for everyone. Let's take a look at the prompts and the videos created by MuseSteamer AI. Next, let's dive into the latest update for Veo 3 and see what's new in this version. I'll be trying Veo 3 through both Gemini and Google Flow, since image to video is now available on both. Let's start with Gemini and see how it works. Upload your image, type in your prompt, and you're ready to go.
It started on a summer evening.
I added voiceover warm American male in the prompt, but it sings instead of speaking. So when adding dialogue in the prompt, it's better to either include the word dialogue or use commands like the man talks or the man speaks to make sure the character actually talks. Also, add no subtitles at the end of your prompt so it doesn't add unwanted subtitles. Now, let's try using Veo 3 through Google Flow. Just upload your image, enter your prompt, and it'll generate a video with sound and voice.
You know, I've never met anyone like you.
You'll see options for extend and jump to. I tested it, and extend isn't supported by Veo 3. It only works with Veo 2 for now, without sound. But you can still use jump to and enter your prompt. I created a scene of a man and a woman walking, and in the jump to prompt, I wrote, the man says, "You know, I've never met anyone like you." Now, let's see what it generates.
You know, I've never met anyone like you.
The characters are still consistent, and the result looks great. Now let's try frames to video. You can add two images, a start frame and an end frame. It works like Kling's image to video frames feature, where you can upload both start and end frame images and enter your prompt. But we can't use this feature with Veo 3. It asks you to switch to Veo 2 instead. I click generate, and this is what I got from Veo 2. It adds subtitles even though there's no sound or voice in the video. I'm guessing that's because I left dialogue in the prompt, which was for Veo 3 and didn't change it. I'm going to use jump to keep building my scene and add dialogue for the characters.
This is such a beautiful evening.
It really is. Perfect for a walk. You know, this is what I've always dreamed of doing in my life. But I've never had a moment like this, never expected it would actually happen. As I kept building scene after scene with jump to, the characters started changing and the video quality dropped. So it's best to begin again with a fresh starting frame using image to video. Jump to works well for a few scenes, but not for an entire video.
That's how I created the video, trimming out the parts I don't need, assembling them using a video editor,
and adding background music. It's that simple and easy. No complex video editing skills needed. AI handles all the work.
So that's my review of Veo 3 after the new update, along with a few tips to help you create videos with it. It's super easy to use. You can create anything you want using image to video. And for consistent images, check out this other video where you'll learn how to sign up and get 500 free credits to edit your images with AI. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit like, leave a comment if anything's unclear, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI tools updates and guides.
Thank you everyone for watching our video.
Maybe not with her, but I'll see you guys again. Until then, take care.